Christmas is at the doorstep. Have you thought about what you give your loved ones yet? You believe that meaningful gifts need to be expensive? Think again. Today I'm going to show you how to create a heartfelt Christmas gift without breaking the bank. And the secret is right there in your home, your houseplants. Curious? Let's get started. Did you know that houseplants are more than just decor? They bring life, positive energies, and even a little hope into any spaces. Gifting a plant is like saying, I care about you and I want you to thrive. Plants are easy to care for, suitable for everyone, from busy professionals to nature lovers. Plus, each type of plant has its own special meaning. A cactus is strength and love. Cactus. It's beautiful, right? A succulent, Succulents, and Pothos. Good luck. So step 1, choose your plant. Pick something that suits the personality of the person you are gifting. Are they bold and strong? Go with a cactus, calm and steady. A pothos would be perfect. Next, let's straight up the pot. This is where the fun begins. Grab some paints in Christmas colors, red, green, gold, white, and get creative. Add ribbons, stickers, or even draw your own little designs. So, see, even the simplest pot can look festive and elegant with just a little effort. Now comes to the most important part. Adding a personal touch. Write a heartfelt message on a small card. This could be as simple as, every time you see this plant, remember how much you mean to me. Or, here's a little piece of nature to brighten your day. These little details will make your gift unforgettable. When you give a gift, it's not about price tag. It's about the thought and love behind it. And simple house plant made special with your personal touch can brighten someone's holiday season like nothing else. So, this Christmas, show your loved ones how much they mean to you. It's something simple, meaningful, and truly one of a kind. And there you have a budget-friendly, heartfelt Christmas gift that's sure to impress. Who knew your little houseplants could spread so much holiday cheer? Why not give it a try? Get creative, have fun, and don't forget to share your plant gift creations in the comment below. Wishing you a Christmas filled with joy, love, and beautiful moments. See you in the next video. Bye for now.